When I tell you this about to be some good baked chicken, shee. We use some Szechuan, garlic and herb. This 14 spice season, y'all better check it out. It's good. Garlic, some seasonal, parsley, and I'm about to add some bell pepper and onion to the top. I'm gonna show y'all the ending result, how to get some crispy roasted chicken. We're gonna bake this at 375 for about 45 minutes uncovered. Out the oven it is. I let it go for about 1 hour and 20 because I like for mine to be nice and crispy. You can hear it. Crispy.